Okay, this is take 3. It's the 21st of the 1st, January 2022. And the watch just came back. So it's in there with the Oris. And we will check back in 24 hours to see where we're at. Okay, I'm a little bit past that one, but yeah. This is day 24 hours later. Check up on the Yema. And still gaining. I want to say it's gained. I'd have to double check it against what I had before. So I've got a feeling it was slower than the... Either way, it's gained 7 minutes in 24 hours. So once again, I'm going to say it's not fixed.